This video I'll be showing you how to change your crankcase breather filter on a Case IH Quadtrac. You want to change your breather filter every 1200 hours or every 2 years. To gain access to the breather filter, we're going to remove this cover plate, remove this bolt, and on the back side there's 2 nuts with remove. If there's any dirt, make sure to clean it before you remove the housing. Remove the 6 10mm bolts. Undo the hose clamp so you can pull this cover out. Remove the breather filter. There's 3 10mm bolts we need to take out. Remove the filter. Take out the old bolts from the crankcase breather filter. Clean off the oil residue, and then we're going to add blue Loctite to them. Install the new filter. Install your 3 bolts with thread locker. We're going to torque these down to 11 foot-pounds. Reinstall the filter cover. Reinstall the cover plate bolts. Torque down the bolts to 5 foot-pounds. And then retighten the hose clamp. With the cover plate back on, this job is complete. If you found this video helpful in any way, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.